Looking for a straightforward way to connect your FM modulator to your car's stereo? This antenna adapter is designed with both users and installers in mind, offering a simple solution for vehicles where a direct connection isn't plug and play. If you want clear audio and easy installation, this product could be just what you need. One user shared their experience with a 2005 Subaru Outback LL Bean Edition. While the adapter didn't connect directly to their stereo, they found a workaround by cutting the plastic plugs and manually connecting the center conductor and antenna wire. It wasn't the simplest process, but it allowed them to create a standard antenna connection for their FM modulator, proving the adapter's flexibility in real-world conditions. Another Subaru Outback owner, this time with a 2006 model, reported a smooth installation that took about an hour. Even with the added step of drilling a hole for a toggle switch, the adapter made it possible to connect their iPhone and other devices through the factory radio system. They appreciated how this option was much more affordable and less complicated than replacing the entire head unit, especially since their radio and AC controls are combined. What you get with this antenna adapter is a tested, user-friendly product that fits within compact dimensions, about 64 centimeters long and just over half an inch wide, making it easy to handle during installation. Weighing only 1.6 ounces, it won't add bulk or interfere with your vehicle's existing setup. Why does this matter? Because not every car stereo supports direct FM modulator connections. This adapter bridges that gap, giving you the freedom to enjoy your favorite music or podcasts through your car's speakers without costly upgrades or complicated rewiring. If you're considering adding an FM modulator to your vehicle, especially a Subaru Outback or similar model, this antenna adapter is worth a look. It's proven to work in real-world scenarios and offers a practical solution for integrating modern audio devices with older stereo systems. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your in-car audio experience without the hassle. This adapter makes installation manageable, affordable, and reliable, letting you focus on what really matters, enjoying your drive with better sound.